Hello, welcome back to the Diary of an African Woman, Afro Woman Diary. On today's episode, I would like to show you how African women fry their groundnuts in their various ones. So, I will take you back to our roots where our mothers, our grandmom, African women generally fry groundnuts for their family. So, step one, yeah, is that you have to pick your groundnut. This groundnut has been picked already, free from stone and from unwanted kind of groundnuts, from dead groundnuts. So you have to pick your groundnut. Step one is to pick your groundnut. Make sure it is clean and free from stones. Yeah, that's step one. So step two, you pour the groundnut in a bowl. Then you add your boiling water to it. Immediately you sieve it out. And then the wise, I don't know, but this is how our mothers taught us. So just after this, then we'll go spread it for a while. Hold on, please. So we're going to leave it here for a while. Okay, pending the time, we'll come back to this. Let's go and prepare how we're going to fry the ground. Okay, so pending the time our granite is ready, I would like to tell you there are different ways to fry granite. You can use sand, you can use ashes, and then you can also use your Garri. So, but today I'll be showing you the Garri method. The first step is to place then you pour your Garri. So you can either use Garri, sand, or ashes. But today we are using Garri. So before you can put the granite into the Garri has to be very, very hot. Yeah. So before this is very hot, the granules will have been dried from water because you cannot fry wet granules. I'm checking. So granite is one of our snacks. Oh. So if you are doubting buying granules outside, you can just choose one of those days and then fry your granules yourself. So as you can see, the granite is the Garri is hot. Now the reason why we are using Garri is because after frying the granite will not be sandy, you know. That's why I prefer to use Garri, but people do use sand. So now let's go and check the granules. As you can see, the granite is dried. So we'll take some for frying. Mm. Let's see if it's ready. It's not yet ready. You can see the back is not removing in a very easy way. So yeah, let's see. The pot from every so to not keep burning, you know. Now, oof, Garri. I will have issues stirring the Garri with the groundnut easily. Look at, because there's nothing burnt there, so you have to try as much as possible to remove those burnt Garri from the pot. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please and please kindly subscribe and follow us on our different platforms. The Diary of an African Woman is only for the purpose of passing knowledge, wisdom from one generation of African women to another generation. As you can see, I allow it to cool down. As you can see, I allow it to cool down for a while. You can't pack it immediately, yeah? So you allow it to cool down for a while, and then when you start, you take it gently. You take it gently. So for the purpose of selling, then you have to be very cautious because you want it to be like this. See, like this. But since we are eating it at home, who cares about that? It's all entering the stomach. But if you want to sell it, it has to be like this. You know, you package it very well, it will be attractive. But this is for the house. Everything's still entering the stomach, so you know, you can see it's giving this white color, you know. Assuming it's sand, it's gonna be brown than this, but this is like light brown or butter color still. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, share, like, leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, share, like, follow on our different platforms, and leave a comment. Thank you so much. So tell me, will you be trying this at home? Would you be trying this at home? Tell me, and also I would like you to tag me if you try this. Come to the end of the making of granite, of frying granite rather. You can see. So this is what our mothers have to go through to make this. So when you get home, tell your mom, your grandmom, thank you, grandma. So this is it. This is it. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Diary of an African Woman. Afro woman died. Thank you. See you next.